what's up? We're at SeaWorld Orlando for another park update. Throwing a little penguin trek in there too, of course. Let's go inside and see what's going on. Not too much of a line to get into the park. It is a Tuesday and it's nice because it's a nice kind of cold day out. It's been kind of warm the past few days. So starting this week, so March 21st through the 24th, they're going to be holding their 60th anniversary. So at the start of every morning, the park president's going to be making some opening remarks and going to be handing out some cupcakes for the guests. And also they're going to be having some merchandise, entertainment, food and beverages, costume characters, everything for the 60th anniversary. So yeah, here's the stage. Looks like we got some TVs. So yeah, that'll be happening, which is great that they're actually doing something to celebrate the anniversary. So yeah. And you know what time it is. It is penguin trek time, so let's go ahead and see what's going on. You know what time it is. It is time for those bird's eye views on the Sky Tower. Here we go.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Turning into the water.
Where those cranes are.
So in good news, the right side is already open, as you guys know, of course, but now the left side's open. Woo! That's exciting. And good news, the area that was closed off over by Journey to Atlantis and Manta is now open, so they got a cool Dippin' Dot stand and then all of this plant life. So they have like a sable palm over here on the right and they got all kinds of, you know, miscellaneous plants. So yeah, that's cool, it's open. Okay, time to see our friends, the seals at the Pacific Point Preserve. Let's go. Like we got some walls up by the Finn's gift shop, so yeah, that's happening. Man, check out the line for the pink chicken buffet. Well, from what I've heard, it looks easy, but it's pretty hard once you get out there. Construction baby ducks and mom. Yeah. And And we don't go over to the side too often, but over in the Key West area they have a dolphin viewing area, so they have a dolphin encounter too. So yeah, let's check out and see what the dolphins are doing. It's pink chicken time, and yeah, some of them are, you know, chilling, and some of them are walking around. But other than that, I have to say it's a good status report, yeah, regarding them. And so last time they had all these merchandise for the 60th. In addition to that, during the week of the 60th, they're also going to be having exclusive lounge flies, pins, home decor, loungewear, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, can't wait to see what that looks like. Well, that's going to hear from SeaWorld Orlando today for our park update. Over at Penguin Trek, looks like we got 2 areas that have been reopened, so we got to check out the views inside there. Also, the retail store over there, looks like the concrete work has been completed as far as I can see, at least. We got some paint work being done inside there. 60th anniversary. That's going to be happening later on this week, so we got to see the shade structures, the stage, and yeah, everything looks to be good inside the park. Of course, you guys know we'll be back out here another time, and yeah, follow us on our socials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!